Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some happy mail sent from Debbie Has a Budget. So we're gonna go ahead and open happy mail. This is my first happy mail. So thank you so much, Debbie, for sending me this in the mail. Let's see what it is. I'm so excited. This is my first one. All right, so it says, thank you. Oh, I love it. I love the blue. It's my favorite color. It says, Ryan, very thankful to have met you in our YouTube world. I truly appreciate everything you sent me and love your channel. Debbie Has a Budget. Thank you so much, Debbie. That is so sweet. Thank you so much. I love the card. Thank you so much. Everyone go to Debbie Has a Budget and subscribe to her and check out her videos. She's really, really, really cool and I love her videos. And guys, I don't know what happened, but we are now at 450 subscribers. So you all, thank you so much. And now that we're at 450, I can now go ahead and mark off our tracker. So thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching my videos and stuff. You're so, so awesome. And if you'd like one of these trackers, you can actually get it at my website at ryancallit.com, and you can track your own progress on YouTube. All right, so we're at 450. So that means that we're 50 away from 500, and I'm gonna do a 500 subscriber giveaway. Look out for that video whenever I reach that goal. And you have a chance to enter to win something specially customized by me. You can either like get custom inserts for your envelopes. It doesn't matter what size, I can do any size. Or I can do some, like a custom challenge for you for like your saving goals and stuff. So guys, thank you guys so much for subscribing. It means a lot to me. And thank you so much, Debbie, for sending me that card. It was a real pleasure of sending you and a lot of other people those challenges, because I wanted everyone to have them, like all the close people that have been communicating with me. I wanted everyone to have, you know, those challenges so you guys can do them and, you know, have fun, because I wanted everyone to do, especially the level up mini game. I want everyone to start doing those, because that way we all can like have fun together and we'll have something to look forward to, you know? So thank you so much, Debbie, and thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you had fun hanging out with me today in this video, I had fun hanging out with you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.